Let's take a deep breath in. Hold it. Good. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm having a little trouble. Hold it. Breathe. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's take a deep breath in, all the way in, all the way in. And then hold it, hold it. Good, good. Okay, breathe. All right, that didn't work. I'm gonna have the nurse push on your stomach. Relax your stomach and let the nurse push it in. Try not to push against it. Try to relax. Okay? Here it comes. You ready? Give me some pressure on the left lower quadrant. Good, good. Okay, that didn't work. Give me some pressure on the belly button. Good. Okay, perfect. Great job. Great job. Let's take a good look.